Hello guys! Today I have got the JBL Go 5 speaker, and today we'll discuss the Bluetooth pairing issues on this speaker, how to fix them, how to get rid of them. So actually, it doesn't really matter if it's an iPhone or an Android phone. The first thing that you need to check is that if you are able to connect your speaker to some other device. If you're trying to connect your speaker to your private phone, try connecting to this speaker to your dad's phone, for example, or mother's phone, or just any other device that you, for example, own. Like for example, here I've got my MacBook, my iPhone, and my second iPhone. Just try to disable Bluetooth completely on the first device and try to connect the same speaker to the second device. Then you will be able to distinguish if the Bluetooth pairing issues appear on your device, like on your phone, on your device, or on your speaker. So actually, when the issues are connected with your phone, what I can recommend is to restart it. Obviously restart it and reset the Bluetooth settings. How to do that? Here, settings. Here you need to scroll, maybe not all the way, but here to the general, scroll all the way down here to the transfer or reset iPhone. Here, reset, and as you can see here we've got reset network settings, keyboard dictionary, handwriting style, many things. You need to select network settings. Then you will be able to try to connect. If it didn't help you, we need to focus more on some other things, such as if you can connect your phone to some different device or anything else. If your phone can't connect to any device, you need to go to the device support. But let's focus on the device mainly, rather than your phone, because if this is your phone's mother, we've got many videos connected with them. So, if the issue is located in your speaker, try to perform a factory reset on it. How to do it? So actually here, as you can see at the top, we've got this top. We've got 3 buttons. You need to hold plus and play for 2 seconds simultaneously till you hear a beep sound. Maybe this is not a beep sound, but this is just turning off sound. So once your speaker is completely turned off, you need to just power it back on and check if you can connect. If you can, everything is nice, but if you can't, you need to go even further. Try to charge your speaker up to 100% and then check if you can connect. If you can, obviously the issue is solved. But if you still can't, you need to contact the device support because your speaker may be just damaged. Goodbye.